Welcome to this tutorial on building a simple but advanced web page. We'll be building a web template using Angular CLI version 7 and libraries created with Angular such as Material 2, Angular Flex Layout, Angular Content Slider, which is NGU Carousel, and Angular Wowjs library, which is also known as NGX Wow. But before we start, let me show you the end product of what we are trying to achieve in this tutorial. So this is the end product of what we are trying to achieve in this tutorial. I told you we are going to build a web template using Angular CLI version 7 and libraries built using Angular such as Material 2 and Angular Flex Layout, Angular Content Slider, which is NGU Carousel. We'll also be using Wowjs, and this is just the sample or the end product of what we are trying to achieve. As you can see, we have just here the navigation. At the navigation or the toolbar, we have the logo at the left hand side, which I named Angular Blue, and at the right hand side of it we have navigation links such as About Us, Services, Testimonials, Contact, Get App. And another thing about the navigation bar is that it changes as you scroll down the page. So for example, if I should scroll, okay, you can see that. So it changes, it transitions to a different designed template. Okay, so here in the navigation bar we have these navigation links which just lead us to different sections of this web page. So for example, if I should go ahead and click on these About Us, it's going to scroll down to a section of About Us in the web page. So okay, that is it. So for example, you can see here, because I click on the About Us, it took us to the About Us section of the web page. This goes on for the different for all of the navigations links such as Services, Testimonials, Contact, and Get App. And at the end of the template, we also had scroll back up. So if I click here, it's going to take us back to the top of the template or the top of the web page. Okay, so that is it. Then next, the first section or the next section of the template is the content slider. Here I used NGU Carousel, as you can see, with background images, and we also had kind of a great layout here. This is done with the flexed layout. So here we have text. On the left hand side we have text and some action buttons, while on the right hand side we have just an image. So we also have buttons or navigation links to click through the slider. So here this back, okay. And so here in the slider I also added these action buttons which you can click and they will take you to different sections of the site. For example, if I click on this download app, it takes us to the download app section of the web page. And here we have iOS. So and here also I just added some sort of an alert, and I used Sweet Alert 2. You can check that out. It's quite cool. I love it. Okay. And in the next session we have the About Us, and that is it. We also have the services and what people are saying about us sections, and we also added another content slider here. So that is it. Okay. Then down below we had contact forms. Okay, so that is pretty all of it. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see the wow library in action. So let me just refresh there. Okay, so you can see the image on the right hand side roll in. So how the Wowjs, as we scroll down, you see it in action. You can see it. Oh, that's cool. This is from NGX Wow. And I put that in different sections. You can see things fading in and out. That's it. So